I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a GitHub repo URL and a target folder with enough space. Open your browser and go to the repository page. Once on the main repo view, make sure you are on the branch you want. Click the green code button to reveal options. Choose Download ZIP. This triggers a file named repo name branch. Zip. Save it to your chosen folder. You've initiated the download. Now verify the file appears in your downloads list and proceed to extraction. Once the ZIP finishes downloading, locate it in Downloads or your chosen folder. You should extract, not open individual files inside the archive. This preserves relative paths. On Windows, right-click and pick Extract All. On Mac OS, double-click or use Archive Utility. On Linux, use Unzip Repo Name Branch. Zip. Make sure the extraction completes without errors. If prompts appear, choose a destination folder you can quickly access. After extraction, open the folder and scan for README to learn build or to finish, follow the repository's README for commands like npm install or make. This explains how to run or build the project. Make sure configuration files are present. Env examples may require manual setup. If something's missing, confirm you downloaded the correct branch or tag and re-download. For a corrupted archive, clear browser cache and try again, or bypass ZIPs by cloning with git clone repo URL. If errors persist, you can compare file sizes and timestamps to the repo to diagnose what went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.